Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about Boshart Industries Stainless Steel PEX Fittings. Boshart Industries first introduced stainless steel PEX fittings to the plumbing and well water industry back in 2020. Since then, they have been the only company to supply these fittings on the market. Boshart stainless steel PEX crimp fittings have a very unique design that makes them more efficient and reliable in your plumbing system. Stainless steel is a much stronger material than brass and plastic. In Boshart's testing, they have found that the brass elbow failed at 140 pounds of force, whereas their stainless steel only bent at 240 pounds of force. Same as other metal fittings, stainless steel fittings have an increased flow rate compared to plastic. This is because plastic fittings have to have a thicker wall in order to make up the weaker material. Stainless steel PEX fittings will hold up much better over time as their stronger material makes them more corrosion resistant. Boshart Industries provides a 30-year warranty to back up that promise. The unique sweep design of their stainless steel elbows reduces turbulence and friction loss, which improves flow rates. So make sure to check out Boshart Industries and their stainless steel PEX fittings. Thanks for watching, guys.